If you have already started using AI in your contact center, are you seeing the impact you expected? Because what we are hearing from CX leaders across the region is almost always the same thing. They have implemented AI, but the result feels incremental, not transformational. Here's what that actually tells us. It's not that AI isn't working, it's that the AI isn't connected to how your contact center actually operates. Most platforms add AI on top of systems that were never designed for it. A chatbot here, a sentiment tool there. A bot that answers questions, but can't actually resolve them. And that's the gap. Because customers don't want answers, they want resolution. Think about what happens when AI is just laid on top. Your voice channel, your digital channel, your CRM, your workflows, they are all still operating in silos. The AI can see part of the picture, but not all of it. So what happens? Customers repeat themselves, agents switch between systems, simple requests get escalated unnecessarily, and your cost to serve stays high, even though you have invested in AI. That's not an AI problem, that's an architecture problem. The difference is when AI is built into how the contact center operates, not bolted on top of it. When your voice channels, digital channels, workflows, and customer data are unified in one platform, AI can do what it's actually designed to do. It can handle a large portion of repetitive inbound queries, freeing your agents to focus on conversations that genuinely need a human. It can scale outbound engagement, collections, reminders, follow-ups, without increasing headcount. And most importantly, it can connect to your workflow. So when a customer makes a request, it doesn't just get answered, it gets resolved. And you don't need to rebuild everything just to get there. The most effective approach is to start with the highest friction points in your current operation. Automate what's repetitive, connect what's fragmented, and build from there. That's exactly how we work with organizations at NXLINK. We don't ask you to rip out what's already working. We connect the pieces you already have and make AI actually deliver measurable outcome across the full customer journey. So if you are exploring AI or looking to get more out of what you have already invested in, it's worth asking a simple question. Is our AI connected to how we actually operate, or is it just added on top? If you like a second perspective, we are offering a complimentary CX assessment. We look at your current setup and identify practical ways AI can deliver real impact, specific to your environment. Scan the code on screen or reach out directly. We'll be glad to connect.